In this video, we will learn about how and why to configure intervention techniques on skill acquisition targets. Intervention techniques are critical to supporting skill acquisition and behavior reduction for your clients. These are directly correlated with the progress your clients make with desired targets. The intervention techniques that should be utilized are evidence-based, meaning there is sufficient research to support the effectiveness of the strategy with a specific skill. Within the Note app, BCBAs will notice when they create or edit learner targets within their care plans that an optional configuration for intervention techniques is now available alongside the usual instructions, required materials, and SDs. BCBAs can select intervention techniques from a list when designing instructional procedures connected to skill acquisition programs. This feature will also be tied to behavior reduction objectives in the future. The overall purpose of including intervention techniques within all skill acquisition programs and eventually all problem behaviors is to help clinicians document and assess the effectiveness of selected intervention techniques tied to specific skill sets. Gathering this data will additionally support meta-analysis of identifying appropriate intervention techniques across clients and specific behaviors, supporting standardization of informed decision-making when it comes to selecting appropriate evidence-based practices. Additionally, seeing intervention techniques per target will help guide the behavior technician to implement a certain technique for a particular skill. Please note, this does not remove the requirement of individualizing the interventions to ensure your clients are properly supported and successful with the intervention. Configuring intervention techniques is an available configuration option when creating a new target or modifying an existing target. When creating a new target, configure intervention techniques along with the rest of the target configurations before activating the target. When modifying an existing target, go to the target configurations and press Edit to select intervention techniques, as pictured here. The intervention techniques available for selection are aligned with the latest published list of evidence-based practices published in the National Clearinghouse on Autism Evidence and Practice Report. We encourage clinicians to provide feedback and advocate for additional evidence-based intervention techniques to expand the provided list. Once your programs have been configured with intervention techniques, your behavior technicians will see the available techniques listed beneath the target instructions when viewing the target details on a direct care session. We want to mention that although the intervention techniques will be listed with the target, it is still the responsibility of the supervising clinician to individualize the target to ensure the appropriate instruction sequence is provided to your behavior technicians to implement them accurately. Lastly, intervention techniques configured for each target will be visible within the direct care session note at the end of each session, contingent upon the behavior technician implementing the target skill. You can also elaborate on the intervention techniques your BT focused on in your supervision session note. Thank you for watching.